Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. And if you're into Huck's World, yes, we got the Google Assistant on the Galaxy Watch 4. It is here. Now, we weren't supposed to get this until the summertime, and they decided to drop it early. So thank you, Google. We've been waiting for this for almost a year. All right, we're going to show you how to install this. This is definitely really easy. A baby can do this one. So let's go ahead. Let's get started. First, I'm going to swipe up, and this is where all your apps are, right? I'm just want to show you that there's no Google Assistant on here. And then we're going to go into the Play Store on the watch. You can't go nowhere else. It's got to be done on the watch. Hit your search icon, and then you want to go in and you want to type in Google Assistant. I've already been searching for it, so it'll come up easily for me right now. So type in Google Assistant. Then go ahead, hit the search icon, and then it's going to come here. It's going to say Assistant Update. Tap that. It's going to say Update again. Hit that, and then you're going to wait for it to download. After it downloads, then it's going to prompt you to do some other things you need to do in order to get the Google Assistant set. Once it has installed, then go ahead and hit Open, and then it's going to tell you to get started. Activate Google Assistant on your watch. Then it says Open on phone to activate. All right, we're going to do that. And then your phone is going to open up. All right. And then it's going to prompt you to do everything else you need to do. So we got to wait a second for this to do its thing. And then we're going to hit activate. And then we're going to hit next. Then it says agree to voice match. And then now it says turn on. Okay, got it. Done. And now we're all set up. I'm going to tap open. And here we are. We're good to go. All right, so let's check this out. Now I'm going to go back. I'm going to open the Google Assistant, and let's go back. Let's go all the way out. And then now this is where it's going to be located at, down at the bottom. You can move it around if you want to. If you want to put it all the way up at the top, but we're going to leave it right here. And now I can say whatever I want to say. Let's answer the question. What's the weather?
Currently in Kenosha, it's 49 degrees and clear. Tonight, the forecast is around 49 and partly cloudy.
Now, I like this UI. This looks really nice. Of course, this gives you your time per hour for what the weather is going to be. So this is nice. Then it has the mic down at the bottom. Now, let's answer another question.
Sorry, I don't understand.
Show me a picture of a black cat.
Showing pictures that match.
Now, I thought this was pretty cool, right? But what's even cooler, if you want to switch it over to the phone, just tap on the picture and it brings it right up on the phone. This is definitely nice. This one is temperamental right now. So there you go. Pictures of a black cat. We can say, let's go back. Pictures of a chocolate cake.
These pictures should match.
Now, this is something that ties and smartwatches can't do. This is something that I like about the Google Assistant on the smartwatch. This is definitely very helpful if you don't know what something is or you want to show somebody a picture. I thought this was pretty awesome. Of course, you can use timers. You can also set alarms and things like that. Or you can simply say, open Spotify.
Opening.
Then
Spotify.
then it's going to open Spotify. And if you want to play Spotify, of course, you could play Spotify, which I thought was nice. So let's get back out of this. And you can say, okay, I got Google Home in, in my house. So I don't want to say it too loud. So let's see if we can activate it right now. But I will tell you it does work. Okay, what time is it in Japan?
The time in Tokyo, Japan, is 12:31 p.m. on Tuesday.
Now, as long as you got your watch near you, it'll bypass on your phone to go straight to your watch, which I thought was pretty cool. The same thing happens with the Google Home. It'll bypass the phone and it'll go through the Google Home, which I thought was awesome. So you can do almost just about anything on here that you can on your smartphone, which I thought was nice. I mean, you got so many different commands that you can use, but what I like is that it's different, right? It's got a different UI so far as the interface is concerned for the Google Assistant on the smartwatch. So I like it. I like it. I think it looks nice. I think this is cleaned up. The other thing I like about this is that at the top you got the time as well. So I thought that was pretty cool. I can't remote start my car yet. I got to set that up with this. But this is your new Google Assistant, new and improved. But yes, let me show you one more thing. If you want to set up your hotkey, so far as setting it up to your button so you can just double press and open it up. This is what you're going to need to do. Go to settings. You can go here, or you can simply drop your screen on your phone, on your smartwatch, and then you got it here. And so we're going to go here. We're going to go to advanced features, and then we're going to scroll down until we see customize keys. And then we're going to go here. We're going to press double press, and then you're going to choose Google Assistant. And so now when you go out of here, all you simply got to do is double tap and it brings it right up. So this is definitely nice. Finally, we got it. There are some other useful commands you can use with the Google Assistant. Open Internet app. Open contacts. Text MH. I love you so much, sweetheart. Yes. Open Samsung Pay. Set timer for 30 seconds. Do me a favor, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know if you guys are going to download this. Also, hit the like button. It's very important to the channel. Smash that notification bell. If you really enjoy the videos I bring, hit the thanks button. Show you love. I'm going to see you all at the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and take care.